Sleeping on the job. Good help's hard to find. There we go. Now it should move. Hey everybody, welcome back for another video. If you watched the last one, you'd know that we pulled this old junky spreader out, and I got that chain fixed. You can see it's all back together. Nice shiny new repair link right there. And we're gonna give her a try for the first time. As you saw in a previous clip, the PTO shaft is a little bit stuck. It's a little bent, so when it gets pushed in all the way like that, it gets stuck together and you can't move it. But we'll fire it up for the first time here and see if it works. Well, looks like it's moving. So that's a good sign. I guess we'll go try it with some bedding. Oh, some of that chain don't look very good down there. Maybe it's just the ice chunks stuck on it. No, that's about to come apart at any time here. Maybe we'll let her get to the back and see if we can get the pin back together. I think we're going to put a little spot of weld on that so we can be sure that it'll stay in there. Fuel up while we're doing that little bit of welding back here. Two birds, one stone. Shine her up a little bit. Like a gosh darn skating rink in here. Water's running into the shed and making it all icy. See if we can do this without falling. Perfect. And hopefully that thing don't tip. There we go, pretty much the same thing as riveting, so should work. this bedding here is actually turkey manure, and you know, I think it's pretty decent. It's dry for the most part. There's a little bit of manure in there, but should make better fertilizer, and if it works as bedding, it works, you know. Joel Nelson told me to do it, so I figured if it's good enough for Joel, it's good enough for me. Disclaimer on that, he didn't actually tell me to do it. He told me that he uses it, but pretty much the same thing. So yeah, we're trying it out, and so far I think it works pretty good. Oh, Bull's doing his job. We got a bull in with this group of heifers, getting them cleaned up. They're getting a little old, so AI ain't working on them, so we'll let the bull take care of it. I think they appreciate the new bedding. Dad's backing in to feed the dry cows. I'm gonna give a couple of these fresh cows some pills. This one here, she's got a fever. Smacks Tech told me so, and I double checked, and yep, she's got a fever. And her rumination is down and stuff, so we're gonna give her some Super Boost pills and some aspirin. I think I've showed the Super Boost before. How you doing, girl? And the aspirin are just big white pills like that. Kind of like the aspirin you'd take if you had a headache, but you know, just bigger. And I gotta give them with a pill gun because cows don't have hands and they can't just pop pills in their mouth. So just gotta assist them a little bit, you know. But we'll get these pills given and then move on to the next thing. Here's a little bit of feeding action for you.
How'd your big head get out of range? That's what I want to know. You want me to do it? I don't want her to hurt you there, little guy.
No.
Look at that. Caught the boy well.
Just like that.
Last time she threw him around and he cried.
Huh?
Nothing.
New thermometer's pretty slick.
All right.
Yeah.
Tells you the temperature?
Yep.
Super.
Like you wouldn't believe.
Was it the same as the smack check?
Pretty close.
Okay.
That one doesn't have a bolus, so
76?
73.
Oh.
And she has a fever, so
How come this one dark?
it just does that.
Oh, okay.
She was like 103,
Okay.
so she's a little bit elevated.
Yep.
But that one was like perfect at like
Good.
the 102 or whatever Smack
Yep.
has her at.
Okay.
Gonna get this little heifer moved over to the middle pen here. Smack's Tech said she's getting close on calving and looking like within a few days she'll be going. Oh, geez, she is tiny and feisty. Nope. Okay, go. Okay, hang out right there and I'm gonna swing this gate. See if this one listens. Oh, so far she listens pretty good. Yep. All right, now you can go to that other pin. Back up. There. Oh yeah, kick this one out. I'm not sure what she's doing in there. She's not calving, but maybe she'd let herself in. I don't know. Well, all done with cow stuff. So now we're gonna go get this load of manure spread. And I figure I'd give you guys a look at how everything ended up. I don't think I ever did a follow-up on how the spreader turned out, but I actually got some nice shiny paint on it, and it still looks new, kinda. But I tell you what, that thing can sling some shit now, like you wouldn't believe. I'll show you guys once we get to the field. It's impressive. If you're impressed by shit spreaders, that is, like I am. Take a look at that spread pattern. Really flings her out there now. Good morning. Next day here. Got the cattle trailer all hooked up. We are going to ship some cows out of here today. Gonna take them over to Premier Livestock over in Withy. We're gonna try that market out, see what they bring over there, because on the radio I've been hearing that their prices are stronger than Equity Altoona, or Equity in Altoona, I should say. But then Dad said that yesterday, the market report, that they were pretty close. So it's a little bit further drive, but if you can get a few more cents, why not? Better pay attention to what I'm doing here. Getting the trailer backed in. Got them all sorted out. Run them up the chute and in. Come on. Come on, girls. Come on. Oh, one at a time. One at a time. Of course, we got the heifer going first. Oh, now she's going. Yep, get her moving, Sparky. Come on, get in there. Get in there. Come on. Get up there. Come on, get up there. Come on. Come on. Get up there. Get up there. Come on. Let's go. Yep, get them in there, boys. Good job. Come on, get in there. Flower, come here. Come on, get up there. Get up there. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Get in there. Hip. Hip. Oh, come on now. Yep, get her moving, Bobo. Good boys. There. Good to go. Well, we're over here, made it over to Premier. We got a big equipment auction on Friday. All kinds of stuff. Waylon rode along. Ah! What is that? What is that? Which one are you looking at? The rake? What's that over there? What's that one? Mower. Yeah, mower. Good job. Oh. all kinds of stuff. Should we buy some of it, Waylon? Yeah, there's a mixer. Oh, can't go this way. Well, we got the cattle unloaded, and Waylon and I went inside and had breakfast. We got a nice little cafe inside, so got some biscuits and gravy. That really hit the spot. Well, we just walk around looking at equipment. Probably not gonna buy anything, but it doesn't hurt to look. What do you see that you want? This drill? You don't want that. Sprayer?
Nope.
No. We even got a pink tractor over here. Self-propelled mower. If I didn't have a triple mower, I'd probably be wanting one of these. Here's the pink tractor. I'm not sure what the deal is with that. Pretty sure it's a New Holland. Or maybe it's a Versatile. New Holland and Versatile were kind of the same for a while there. Early 2000s. So quite the paint job on it. Oh, it was New Holland. You can see the blue underneath there. Not sure why you'd want your tractor pink, but interesting. They got all kinds of stuff here. Should buy that combine. I think if Waylon had his pick, we'd pull it all home. Yeah? You want to bring everything home? Keep it all? There's also some nice manure tanks that I kind of want, but I'm probably going to go for more. Yeah, that's a mower. Maybe we should get this planter. It'd be a nice planter. But it doesn't have row cleaners, so we had to add those. Maybe not. Same with this one over here. This looks like it's just got completely redone, or at least repainted. But still have to add row cleaners, I suppose. Get some spiked closing wheels. This one over here is kind of all set up for what I'd want to do. Got some nice sharp tooth row cleaners. Oh, and those got air going to it. We got air down pressure. Big air compressor in the back here. Be a nice planter. But yeah, we're gonna head around home. I think that'll do it for this video. So thanks for watching, and hope to see you on the next one. Well, I guess we'll get back on the road now. Blew a tire. What are the chances? At least I was empty, but luckily it happened right outside Stanley. Pulled in the Stanley tire, and they got me all fixed up in like, I don't know, half hour or so. So now we're good to go. So luckily they weren't too busy and they could jump right on it.